Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 11 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we'll be working on this gold and silver chrome gift wrap design. If you'd like to see the rest of the series, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes I'll be using today are from Pink Gellac. We have Soft White, which is going to be my base color, and then I'll be topping that with the Ultra Shine before I apply the vinyls. Once the top coat is cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail vinyls. I'm using the wrapping paper vinyls from What's Up Nails, and you may not get all of the stripes to come off when you initially peel them. You can kind of stick it to the back of the sheet and get them off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place it onto my nail carefully and press it down with an orange stick or my finger or whatever works. The trick is going to be making sure that these stripes are all pressed fully flat and adhering as well as possible before we move on to the chrome. I decided to trim off the tips where they were overhanging, and I also did just a couple snips in spots where the vinyl was puckering to help them lay flat. You want to make sure that everything is adhered as well as it possibly can be before moving on to this next step, which is going to be the chrome. We're going to start out with the gold. I'm going to open this very, very, very carefully. You don't want to get pigment all over the place. You may want to use a mask. I'm using so little that I don't think a mask is going to be necessary. And for this, since I'm going to be filling in the stripes in the vinyls and I need precision, I decided to get out my silicone tools. So I'm going to start with this kind of pointy cone-shaped one. See if that works. This tool also has a chisel end, and the gold is going to be going in the wider stripes. So I'm just going to get right in there and start buffing it in. Applying it all along each of the wide stripes. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same with the silver on the thinner stripes. I usually like to really buff in my pigments, and that's a little bit harder with this kind of an application. But what I decided to do is with just a clean makeup wedge is to swipe right in the direction that the stripes are going and buff them in like that. And that will give you more of the mirror finish. So you can see there the difference between the pinky and the other nails. So I'm just gonna repeat that for all of them. Next, we're gonna go ahead and peel off the vinyls and hope that we get a clean peel here. Once you've removed your vinyls, go ahead and make sure there's not any loose pigment. If there is, you can go ahead and brush it off. Then we're going to finish with one more coat of the pink Gellac Ultra Shine. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. It's exactly what I wanted, even though I will confess I didn't do any testing, and it's definitely my favorite of the series so far. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And we are coming to the end of the 12 Days of Christmas. And since this year has been a Winter Water Marble Wonderland, tomorrow we will be capping off with a water marble. Inspired by this gold and silver chrome gift wrap, we are going to be working on a gold and silver chrome water marble. So I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching.